And today we are going to Port Macquarie for a weekend getaway. And I am with Tony, who's busy driving. And Yan there at the back. Are you excited, Yan? She's very shy to talk. Let's see some. Right now we are here at the service station for a quick stop to grab our lunch. Come on, people! Ba yung attire niyan? Yan, tingnan nyo. Kikay na kikay. Hello, kikay. Minute? Oo. Natapos na namin ang aming lunch. Kaya naalala na namin mag-vlog. Nakalimutan namin kanina. So we are here now at the shopping center with Yan Yan. Nag-shopping kami. Konti lang. Konti lang po. Yes. Yes. Kung ano lang yung gusto namin. Samantala si Tony, inaantay niya kami doon sa may coffee shop. Ayun, mag-isa lang siya. Ayun. Yan naman yung kadalasan niyang ginagawa pag nag-shopping ako. Ayun siya. Sharing, nakaupo lang siya habang nag-headset. We are here now at our accommodation. So that one behind me is the hallway. And then we're coming in. And this is our accommodation. This is the dining table. Actually, it's a nice accommodation. And there is a lounge room in here. So this is a lounge. And that one. And there is a telly here. And if we will look at here, there is a veranda. There's a veranda in here. And I will open the door. I'm pushing it, but I'm not sure if I'm going to the right one or not. Yeah, I think this is the one. I'll help you, beautiful lady. Or maybe it's locked.
Am I going to have a quick shower too, Bobby?
Bobby, it's locked. Can you unlock this door for me, please?
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm going to go look.
Alright, can you unlock this door for me, please? Takes time to unlock. Oh, come on. It seems like Tony don't know how to unlock the door. Or maybe it's locked. Ayaw pasukin ang magnanakaw. There's another one. Well, there's a door over there also. You can try that one. Here. We will have a look the view outside the veranda. So, okay, let's go outside. And there is a table and chairs here also. 1, 2, 3, 4, so 6 chairs. And here, I think we are on a 3rd level or 4th. I'm not very sure. Yeah, I think it's 4. We're on 4th level, and that's the view outside. And it's daytime here. That's why we can see the view. It's still at daytime. And we'll look. It's a big area actually. And it's there's few buildings in there, and birds is so noisy at the moment. And that building over there is a shopping center. So we are really here in town. We can just walk if we want to go to the shopping center, or we will go to the restaurant. It's not that far. And yeah. And now we are going to check the bedrooms. So this is Yan Yan's bedroom. She will be sleeping here by herself. And here are the wardrobes. Sorry, the wardrobe. And here in the hallway is another one. Wardrobe. And that's the iron. And the iron board is there. So we can do our iron if we want to. And this is my bedroom. Look at that. It's a king size bedroom. And it's another veranda actually. Here. And we will have a look for the laundry room. So they get a laundry room in here. It's the washing machine and the dryer. And this is obviously the hot water tank. And here we go. This is the bathroom. So they get a sink and the bath, and of course the toilet over there, and the shower. And actually there is a little kitchen here. It's a bench. And a sink. And there is a well, we can cook also if you want to. And a microwave, and the cabinets for the glasses and plates, and there's a fridge also. So it's like a home actually. So yeah, so right now we are here in Wyndham Ramada Resort in Port Macquarie. So the place is so beautiful, and also there is an own suite here in the master's bedroom. Here is this a bathroom, and there is a sink here. So we already put all our stuff, and a toilet. And if we will go outside, here is a wardrobe, sort of a walk-in wardrobe. And we can hang our clothes in here. And back to the bed, back to our bedroom, and that's it. We will go to the lounge room now. Hello, umaga na dito ngayon at nagre-ready na kami lumabas para mag-breakfast. So, titingnan natin yung mga kasama ko kung ready na. Ay, ready na pala siya. Ayan, hello.
Hello, my good friends.
Good friends. Naantay pa namin si Tony. Nagre-ready pa siya. So, habang inaantay natin, tingin-tingin muna tayo sa labas. Sa labas. Oh, thank you, sister. It's a bit cold outside. Ayan ang labas.
Two hot chocolates here?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Okay, well, that's it. Bang! So right now we are walking here on the street And as you can see, that is Glass House behind me. Glass House in Port Macquarie, New South Wales. And I'm still with Yan Yan and Tony. Tony is very far.
Where are we going?
And we are going to the shopping center. Port Central.
Where are we going?
Do you want one of that push bike, Yan?
No thanks.
Maybe you can hire it. Yeah, I think so. You need to put money in here. That one depends if how many hours do you want to rent it. Hello people, I'm shy. Char. Swimwear. Yes. Yes. Over. We are here now at the lighthouse in Port Macquarie. Over there. That one. I can reach the end of it. I mean, I can reach the top of the lighthouse. It's nice in here. It's so relaxing. What behind me? So nice. My lighthouse, shining in the darkness. I will follow you. Sweet naman nila. Sinusuklay ang kanyang hair. Ayun. Suklayin mo pa. Tapos si Toms naman, ayun, kawawa naman siya. Mag-isa lang siya. Are you alone? Why are you alone? Kumakanta. What are you singing? What's the title of that song? Oh, and Yan is cold now. Where are you going? You going to the snow? Rock and roll. Rock and roll.